Okay, guys. Real quick. I just wanted to come on here. I'm not coming on camera because I'm a filthy mess. Anyhow, before I take my shower, I just wanted to do this video. I am going to get to that journal. I promise you. I've been saying I've been doing that, but I just could not craft with the mess I had. And we're just going to take a little walk around what I've done and what I did with that closet. Say hi to Dutton. Mama took on major project today. I have my craft room completely in order. And yes, I'm still keeping things covered for right now. But I cleaned and I organized. This is my craft desk. Project waiting right there for me to get started on. But my little organizer there. There's my sublimation printer that I do my mugs and my t-shirts. My regular printer. Those are all my presses. Heat press, mug presses, tumbler presses, hat presses in there. And then this was the big project. Because there was like so much stuff in here. Stuff that needed to go to Goodwill. Don't ask me to show you the living room, because there's a lot of stuff that has to go out to the garbage and go to Goodwill. But I cleaned out this closet. And my parents gave me a gift card. No, Dutton, we're not closing the door. He likes to close doors and open them. A gift card for Amazon for my birthday. Well, I used some of that gift card to get this cubed closet organizer. And I've got a lot here. I stopped counting my stamp sets at about 250. I quit counting. No idea how many stamp sets I have. Got my Cricut machine in there. All my stamps on the top shelf. I've got my ink pads. And don't ask me how many inks I've got. I've got a lot. Most of them, a lot of them are good 10 years old. And I tested most of them. And they are good. I think I only have one ink pad that was dried up that I had to throw out. And it was dried up because the lid was off. But I also have my manual die cut machine. And all the embossing folders, all the dies for it. I've got We Are Memory Keepers, board punches, everything from gift bag punch to envelopes to gift boxes, you name it, I've got it there. I've got alcohol inks and glitter and foil, colored pencils, ink sprays, punches, paper punches. Over here's Christmas stamps, actually, more stamp sets. Sewing machine. Behind the sewing machine in the cubby is my sewing box. Up there, I've got some rings, spiral rings for my, right down there, my binding machine for binding books, for doing spiral ring binders. But I've been busy organizing. I had no clue that this was going to be a several-hour project. In that thing, I do have some paper crafting stuff. Over here, that tote is filled with my sublimation. materials and a couple, I got a few tumblers and some mugs sitting on top. Yeah, but that's it. And I'll swing around real quick to my computer. I just wanted to show this off because there's my beautiful flowers that my mom gave me. That was from church. Yeah, I'm watching a true crime channel right now. I was kind of listening to her as I was working. But that's it. A lot of work. Total, it probably took me 8 or 9 hours to pull this room together. As you saw a couple texts come on the screen, I still have a majority of my scrapbook paper downstairs because I have a full filing cabinet of scrapbook paper. I have resin type crafting stuff downstairs, jewelry making. I still don't have all my paper crafting stuff up here. There's a couple other things I do want to bring up, but I also wanted to mention that I did not mention some brand names like the Cinch and my Big Shot, because the second part of the video I actually put on my personal Facebook page. And a lot of those viewers are not going to know what I'm talking about when I say Cinch and Big Shot and dyes and things like that. But I'm happy with the way things turned out. And I hope this gives you inspiration if you decide to redo your space and see that it's not impossible to create a decent space in a small area. As you can see, my crafting area is really not that big. But anyhow, I will see you when I start on that printable that is in my Etsy shop. That's actually what's on my craft desk now. I love you all. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. Share. And I will see you next time. Big hugs and kisses to you.